Hey! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10.3 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Settings, then scroll all the way down, select System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Keyboard. Over here click on Theme and tap on Show More. This way you will see all available ones. Now you can click on one of those images, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and tap Apply. You can do exactly the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!